Holiday party snack number 1. We're making pigs in a blanket today. Welcome to Help at Home, your resource for great recipes and easy learning. I'm Jim Hightower. Today we're making the great holiday party snack, or anytime snack, pigs in a blanket. So grab your pen and paper. Here come the ingredients. You'll need cheap biscuit dough, about 3 to 4 cans, and a large package of little smoky sausages. And that's it. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And don't forget, you can always print out this recipe or any other recipe just by going down to the description below. Before you get started, there's just a tiny bit of prep work. You open up your biscuits, put them on a paper plate. It's the holidays. Why mess up things that you have to wash? Put it on something you can throw away. There's a tip. Take your biscuits. Whoops, don't do that. Take your biscuits. Whoops, don't do that. Take your biscuits and cut them into thirds. Put them in a bowl. You're ready to go. The easiest thing to do is to get everything together and get your pan, put some foil in it, spray it or butter it, sit at your table and do this, but we're not. So, you just take one of your little smokies, get your biscuit dough around it, push it together. You can even kind of stretch it around. See? And you just keep going. This is a great activity to do with your children or your spouse, or to delegate to your children or spouse. Now the end pieces can be a little fussy, the end pieces of the biscuit dough, but it's no big deal. And sometimes it gets a little gooey, sometimes it gets a little thin. You just stretch it and keep going. And by the way, you don't have to spread these out very far because they're not going to spread like a cookie. Alright, I wanted to show you just a few more. You got that seam, and you just push and stretch around. It's like playing with Play-Doh. Now, of course, your middle pieces go on very easy. I'll take another end. See, you just put it on there, push, and you're like, oh, it won't fit. And you just stretch and pull all the way around. Now, as I said, this is like playing with Play-Doh, soft Play-Doh. There are a few tips you need to know here. Number 1, you can cut these up a little early. I'd keep them covered and in the refrigerator. The firmer that your biscuit dough is, the easier it is to handle. Also, your little smokies come in a package with some juice or whatever, and you need to drain that juice out because the juice makes the biscuit dough soft, it tears, and you're sad, and nobody wants that. Alright, I'm just going to do this token amount. In your oven, 400 degrees, and you just cook it till the biscuits are done. I would check 8 to 10 minutes. Here they are after 10 minutes, and they are just perfect and nicely browned. And sorry for the glare, but you don't want to overcook your biscuits, then they'll be hard and crunchy. You just want them lightly browned, and then they'll be great, and people will say you're the best, because you are. Now you're almost ready to either A, grab them and go sit in the corner and eat them all by yourself, or B, go to your party. Now here's what you do. You get one of these handy, lightweight containers that are cheap. We call them throwaways because we do. But throw them all in here, and so you pile them in there, and you'll have more than this because I just did one pan. But you take it to your party, and you don't care whether this dish makes it home with you or not because it's a throwaway. So there you go. How handy is that? Well, if you like this recipe for pigs in a blanket, the holiday favorite that's party perfect or just family perfect, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and share with your friends who like to cook or just want to learn how. Drop me a line in the comments below about your experiences with this recipe such that it is, or what else you'd like to see in the kitchen. Click the bell in the top right hand corner for notifications. I'm Jim Hightower, and remember, everyone needs help, even me. Enjoy! Today, we make, I don't know what I'm saying, flopper. It's great for a party. Plopper. You can always print out this recipe. Yay! Here they are, right out of the oven. Actually not.